I have a cousin, Joanie, who has profound firsthand experience in learning how to rebuild trust. She met her eventual husband, Mark, in high school and married him. 14 years and two children later, they went through an ugly divorce. 21 years following the divorce, after a lot of very hard work involving counseling, rehabilitation, restitution, forgiveness, this couple pledged their love once again till death do us part. This reminds me of one of God's amazing promises where he says, I will repay you for the years the locusts have eaten. God truly can and does restore broken trust.